Have you ever looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the person staring back? That face, it's yours, but the life behind the eyes feels like it belongs to someone else. You go through the motions. You do your job, you see your friends, you smile. But inside, there's a quiet hum of emptiness, a voice that whispers, "This can't be it. There has to be more." That feeling? That's not a sign of failure. That is the sound of your old self cracking. And from those cracks, your new life is begging to be born. Today, we're not just talking about change. We're talking about a reinvention, and it starts right here, right now. Reinvention is not an upgrade. It's not a new coat of paint on a crumbling house. It's a demolition. And before you can build, you must clear the land. The first and most brutal step is to hold a funeral for the person you are right now. Why? Because that person, with all their habits, their stories, their comfort zones, got you to this point of feeling lost. We need to make space. Step 1. The inventory. Get a journal, I'm serious. Open a notes app. I don't care. I want you to write down 3 things. First, what are the stories you keep telling yourself? I'm not smart enough. It's too late for me. I'm just not that kind of person. See those stories for what they are, sentences, and sentences can be rewritten. Step 2, the eulogy. Second, acknowledge what did work. Your former self got you through hard times. They survived, they learned lessons. Thank them. And then, let them go. Write a literal letter. Dear my old self, thank you for protecting me, but your job is done. It's time to rest. This isn't cheesy, it's ceremonial. It's a psychological line in the sand. Now, with the ground cleared, we don't just start building randomly. We need a blueprint. And to find it, you have to become an archaeologist of your own soul. You have to dig for clues you left behind a long, long time ago. Think back to when you were 10 years old. What did you love to do without anyone telling you to do it? Was it drawing? Taking things apart? Writing stories? Helping animals? That is a clue. That is a piece of your core self, untouched by the world's expectations. Now, I want you to become a collector of chills. Pay attention. What gives you a genuine physical reaction? A song, a scene in a movie, a story of someone overcoming odds. What makes your heart pound with a sense of, I want that? Write it down. This is your soul's compass. It's pointing you toward your North Star. Your new identity isn't something you invent out of thin air. It's something you uncover. It's already in you, buried under years of shoulds and have-tos. Your job this week is to dig for 1 hour, just 1 hour, and find one spark. Here is where most people fail. They have the funeral, they make the vision board, and they stop. They think reinvention is a mental game. It is not. Reinvention is physical. It's something you do. Your body must believe the change before your mind does. You can't think your way into being a confident person. You act with confidence, and the feeling follows. You can't think your way into being a writer. You write one sentence, then another. Your mission, starting tomorrow, is to lay the first brick. What is the smallest, most insignificant action you can take that your new self would do? Your new self is a runner? Put on your shoes and walk to the end of the street. That's it. Your new self is a chef. Chop one onion. One single action tells your brain, the rules have changed. We are someone different now. Action is the magic pill. Momentum is built with tiny, consistent steps. Your new identity isn't something you invent out of thin air. It's something you uncover. It's already in you, buried under years of shoulds and have-tos. Your job this week is to dig for 1 hour, just 1 hour, and find one spark. The you that you're meant to be is not waiting in some distant future. They are being built right now, with every choice you make to listen to that quiet voice instead of ignoring it, with every small action that honors your soul's blueprint. Reinvention is not a destination you arrive at. It is the process of becoming. It is the most profound and beautiful project you will ever work on. And it begins not when you have it all figured out, but the moment you decide, truly decide, that you are worth the effort. Your story isn't over. It's just getting to the good part. Now go build.